of the moon, I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the soil, the son of the lion. I am waiting for you. I am the son of the tiger, the son of the sun, daughter of the moon. I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon. I am the son of the sun, son of the sun. Seasons will come, seasons will go. Here in my heart is where your love is be. The hours will pass, rain will fall, but here in my heart is where I'll build you your home. Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you. I am right here.
The moon is accorded strong respect in all villages, towns, and kingdoms in Igbo land. The moon comes out very tiny and gradually grows into the full moon. In Igbo land, the moon represents growth and fertility, and that explains why many people worship the moon. The mystery here is that we have a beautiful young woman who is indeed a daughter of the moon.
The only thing that I will tell you, your journey to Indiago is a fruitful one.
Thank you, Great One.
There is a question I would like to ask you, and I want you to give me a specific answer. Why did you leave all the diviners in Umu Akadiani and come all the way to Indiago for a mere inquiry?
It was an instruction by my late father to visit different diviners upon the emergence of a new moon.
Your father was a great man of Umakadiani Kingdom. And from what I can see here, he is very happy with you for treading on the path that he has chosen for you.
I have no choice. Men that are men obey their fathers and adhere to every instruction. I learned that when I was a child. And growing up with it, I came to understand that obedience to one's father has a lot to contribute to a man's success.
The gods of your fathers will continue to bless you. You shall be like tomorrow, for tomorrow has no end.
He say
that which you eat will come your way.
He say
that which is determined to eat you will never come near you.
He say
Hey! Provider.
Go back!
Soul of a lion.
I said go back!
Spirit of a lion. Strength of a tiger.
Papa, that man, I don't like him. In fact, I hate him like I hate bitter medicine. I hope you will not disturb my spirit.
Is it Chukwu?
That spirit talking through you must leave.
How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? Eh? Oh, you think I'm the warrior of just this village? Eh? I'm the warrior of the whole world. Mind yourself, oh. Papa, look at this idiot that I wanted to give daughter of the moon to marry. But you see this nonsense, just sit now. I will not kill you.
Please, my son is totally mad. Madness has taken hold of him. Help me.
1 minute.
Papa. You are just looking at me. Huh?
Spirit of a healer, stranger for tiger, care provider, soul of a lion. Spirit of a healer, stranger for tiger, care provider, soul of a lion.
Madness has left your son.
Thank the gods. Hey!
Hey, what happened to me?
This
Madness was caused by Osisi Kanku.
Osisi Kanku? I was just coming from his house. He has been with him since 2 weeks.
Papa, what happened to me?
You're all right. It's just that you had a little problem, but it's okay now.
Osisi Kanku placed the charm of madness on his Ube 3.
Yeah?
That whoever plucks from it would go mad. And your son here innocently plucked from it.
Hey!
That was the beginning of his madness.
Hey! This world is indeed an evil place. What is Ube? For you to make my son mad? Mbano! The king must hear this.
You would make no trouble with anyone. The gods have eyes, and they can see. Allow them carry out their duties. Moreover, the king will not do anything without the approval of the gods.
Hey! Thank you, Ekunife. I don't know how to thank you enough. But you will certainly hear from me.
As your spirit leads you, Nai. Take your son home. Let him have his bath. Give him food. Give him water.
Papa, what really happened to me?
Izuchukwu, my son, it's a long story that I will tell you soon. Let's go. Go. Thank you, Ekunife. Go.
Did you see that?
See what?
Look straight to your compound entrance.
So what about it? This is the first time you've seen it.
Igunife, you are yet to tell me your secret.
You shut up. Do you want her to think that we're discussing her?
Greetings, men of our land.
Greetings. Welcome.
I brought you firewood.
Thank you very much. Please take it to the back of the hut.
Okay.
Why that strange look?
I am seeing a lot of hidden secrets in you.
Please, give me a moment. Just accept this token.
Thank you.
You're welcome. May the gods go with you. And please, say me well to your parents.
Yeah. I'll come again next time.
Of course, you're welcome. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
The native doctor that prepared this charm for you is surely good at his job.
What charm are you talking about?
The charm that makes almost all our maidens come to you. The charm is working wonders. Igunife, is the native doctor from this land, or did you travel to another land to meet him?
If not for one thing, I will disown you as my friend.
Madito, what is wrong with you? Must you always do this? I don't like it.
What have I done wrong? Tell me. I am only concerned about my friend who is always making a fool of herself.
You dare stand here and insult me? Excuse me? You want me to fall out with you before you start minding your business?
Where did you keep that firewood I saw you carry? Is it at the house of the healer? Why are you like this? Why are you distracting that young man of the gods?
You know what? You're here to provoke me to the extent that we start a fight. I know more than that, so I will not descend that low. Listen to me, Nwadioto. I know what you want. Surely you won't get it from me. So stand here. Stand here some more, and I'm sure it won't be long before you meet your Waterloo.
I feel pity for you, my friend. I feel pity for you because by the time the healer finally dumps you, you will not have any other young man in this village to fall back on. Continue being a fool.
Spirit of a healer. Stranger.
Tell me the secret behind your powers. On some tough people. Tell me the secret behind your past.
But there are no secrets behind my past.
Why are you lying to a friend? There are no secrets and you do the kind of things you do. Huh?
Ozemena, this power you speak of is in my blood.
What blood? What blood? Yeah? Yeah? You were formerly a hunter. And after your father's death, you suddenly became a powerful healer. Isn't it obvious that you acquired some powers from somewhere? Yeah? All I say about blood, the blood. Please, open up to me. I am ready to know what you know. That is what friends do for friends. Not coming to take me out for a feast. When I say blood, in the blood.
Ozemena, that is how it all started. My father transferred this power to me. In fact, it is hereditary. There is no secret behind my powers.
Did you want me to believe you? Eh? Listen, I am your best friend. Tell me your secret and let me start making money like you.
Ozemena, there is no secret attached to my powers. And I do not collect money from people when I heal. That alone should tell you that it is not all about money.
But you're making a lot of money from this.
The same money they give to me is willingly. I do not ask for money. Moreover, healing has a lot of rules. The spirit of healing will leave any healer who is more concerned with the money.
It is possible you are telling me the truth, but I don't know why I am finding it difficult to believe you.
I am not concerned with your unbelief, Ozemena. This power you talk about was given to me by my father. And my father got it from his own father. And by the gods, I would give it to my son when my time is up. There is no secret attached to my powers. If you don't want to believe me, go ahead and believe whatever you like.
Are we not supposed to be having a feast? Come, let me bring the little pan when I have him. Huh?
Help us save her. She's unconscious, but she's alive. She's alive. Thank you. Thank you for saving my daughter. She's alive. She's alive. My daughter is alive. Thank God. Yes. May the God be praised.
Your daughter is fine now.
Thank you.
Take her home.
Thank you. May the God of our land bless you.
The God of our land.
After the gods healed the sick girl yesterday, I had a visitor. Her name is Nwadeoto.
I don't understand. Nwadeoto is one of the decent maiden we have in this land, at least by my judgment. What did she come to do in your place?
She was very nice to me.
Ah!
And at a point, I thought she was the one. But when I remember all my father told me about my wife, I knew she wasn't.
I will not fall into your trap and start discussing women testimony with you. No.
How do you mean? Oh, so this is what you think about me now? That all I do in this village is talk about maidens and women?
I see you are beginning to do greater things than your father. That is what I want to discuss. Not one daughter or any maiden. That's one daughter.
That's the prayer of every father. For the child to be greater than him.
Yes. Yeah.
By the way, why did you say that?
I overheard some men discussing about that. They said you are already greater than your father. And by my little understanding of medicine, this your healing power can bring wealth to you. So I want us to plan as friends on how we can start making money from your gift. Oh?
What you have just said now is impossible. I am not interested.
No. You must be interested. Yes. Listen, you can become the richest man in Uruaku if you start collecting money from people. Health issues are complicated and people can pay anything demanded of them to see their loved ones live. You are my best friend. Just think about that. You need to make money.
It's okay. Son.
Papa. Papa, sorry. You'll be alright.
My secret as a healer is I never ask people for anything.
Papa, please. Sorry.
I heal them as the gods lead. I allow them to give me anything they like.
Papa, please. Papa, sorry, Papa.
Remember, when you take over from me, to follow in that path.
Papa, please.
The gods will provide for you.
Why that strange look?
Why those strange and abominable words? I am beginning to see you as one determined to set me against my father.
Don't be naive. Why would you see me as an enemy for telling you the truth?
I don't need that truth of yours. Quit telling it to me. You think I'm not rich? I am content with what I have. The mantle of healing was given to me freely, and the instruction is that I heal freely. Let this be the last time you raise this topic. Because when next you do, I will not only stop talking to you, but I will cut you off.
I am sorry. Hold on. Ekunife, come back. Ekunife. Hey. Is my
advise an evil one to have provoked him?
Where is he? Where is the good man? The special one? The man of the gods? I'm aware he was here. Where is he?
Are you by any means talking to me?
Is it a crime to talk to you? Look, he asked me to do something for him. That's why I'm looking for him.
His father told him certain things about the woman he would marry. I may not boast of knowing all the things the man said, but I'm certain he was barred from considering desperate maidens. And you, Wadoto, are one of them. And I hate you so much.
Desperate maiden? Why would he call me a desperate maiden?
Ekunife has become a bone in my neck. He has destroyed my business with his charitable works, claiming to be a useless healer. He appears to be more powerful than his father. I won't allow that boy continue to exist. Ekunife, prepare to battle with the spirit of the deep, because I am going to fight you to a standstill.
I don't know who you are or what your plans are.
Let me remind you that I was a hunter before I became a healer.
Who are you and why did you block my route in a way that suggests war?
Keep your sword. I'm the man sent by your great-grandfather to bring you the beat that will make you indestructible.
So tell me, how do I believe?
I'm not here to answer questions. I'm here to deliver a message.
So what is it?
I am the man. Call me the man. Wear this. No man with acquired powers will ever destroy you.
Is it real? It's real. This is unbelievable. My great-grandfather decides to bless me with a bead. Gods of my father. Gods of my father.
Why this new bead on your neck?
I bought it for myself. Do you like it?
this one is different from all the beads I've seen. I don't know why you like strange things.
Care provider, soul of a lion, spirit of a healer. It's in the way he works, strength of a tiger. You can see the way he talks. Care provider.
Greetings. Is Ekunife around? Ekunife? I don't know. Actually, I did not go to Ekunife's house. I went to give Ichie Agama some water.
Really? You are going to give Ekunife morning water?
That is very kind of you. Go well. Why can't they just leave him alone? I can fetch him as much water as he needs. Why can't they just let him be?
And I have been asking myself the same question. Why can't Uzodinma leave Ekunife for me?
I beg your pardon, Nwadilto. Are you lusting after my man?
Your man? Ah! Do you even know what that means? Listen, let me tell you. Yesterday, I cooked his lunch and we ate together. Have you ever cooked for him before? Why then do you call him your man?
Ekunife, why are you stopping me? Listen, I want to make something very delicious for you. You need to start eating what a woman cooks.
And who told you that I have not been eating what a woman cooks?
So why are you not eating mine?
Look, Uzodinma, it's not like I don't trust you. It has to do with me. It has to do with my spirit. Okay, you will surely cook for me, but not today.
Why?
Because I have not been moved by my spirit yet. When I am moved, I will not only eat your food, I would also eat the one that was cooked in your house and bring to me here to eat.
Do you know why I hate you?
Tell me.
I will tell you. Because you are a pathetic liar.
Oh. So you really think I'm lying about this whole thing?
No! I don't just think. I know. And you get lost. Because there is no way Ekunife would descend so low to have you, a fool, cook his meal.
You can go ahead and console yourself that it never happened. But I want you to know that it did. Yesterday, I cooked a very delicious ofe nsala with dried meat, the one he gave to me to use in preparing the soup, with a very smooth pounded yam to go with. We ate it together. You know why that is so? Because he prefers me, Nwadilto, to you. So get lost and stop throwing yourself at him.
Some things in life we just cannot change. Some fuss in life we cannot fight. All we can do is to live our lives. Live your life, so I live my life. Live your life.
This is the right spot to eliminate the idiot. Come closer and see the earth no more. Argue with your chi and argue your last.
provider. Soul of a lion. Spirit of a healer. It's in the way.
Why are you looking like one who woke up on the wrong side of his bed? Are you alright?
Ekunife, the son of Okunkano Kenyi, the best healer ever produced in the land of Umakadiani. Each time I meet with you, it gladdens my heart to realize I am meeting with a replica of Okunkano Kenyi. He practically vomited himself in you. Why are you in there?
Thank you. What's he come one of Umakadiani?
There is magic in my name.
I know.
And the gods instructed me to bless you.
As the gods pleases. Trying to destroy me in the name of blessing me? Siba, have you forgotten who I am? The son of Okunka Anukei. You dare my forefathers? Gods of my ancestors.
What are you doing?
Gods of my ancestors, I thank you for protecting me.
Destinies in life we just cannot change. Destinies in life we cannot fight. All we can do is to live our life. Live our life. Live your life, so I live my life.
Greetings, great healer of our land.
Something just happened and I came back to pray. What are you doing here? Why did you come back?
Why did you do it, my love?
Who is your love? And why did I do what?
You gave her dried meat and she made your lunch of ofensala and pounded yam. Both of you ate together. Why are you killing me slowly, my love? Why?
What are you talking about? And look, I would not stand here to discuss this with you. I have a pressing issue. I need to pray. Please, I need to be left alone. Just go.
Son of a tiger. Just a coconut get waragi. Yeah. Just a quiven get waragi. Yeah. Just do what is right. What is right. Uchavi maka, ane uchina waka. Oh, spirit of a healer, at the fullness of time, strength of a tiger. The moon will bow to your greatness, and the sun will hold on for you.
Adobalezamo. Do you mind telling me why you cannot pick a maiden of this kingdom and make your wife? Why?
Oh no. There's no doubt you've done well by coming here and discuss this with me. But then, I am not seeing a wife in any of them.
Meaning what?
Are you aware that immediately after the Obaze festival, a new king will emerge in this land? And from what you know, that festival is around the corner. If the time comes and you have no wife, the kingmakers of this kingdom will select a new king from any of the families of the ruling class. It simply means that you have lost the throne. And when that happens, I know wicked in Igbo, the Ugo Chalasha of Umolili kingdom will not be able to stop them. Are you not aware?
Someone already brought that to my notice, so no. But I believe it's still far. I want you to understand that I cannot get married to a maiden my spirit does not accept. The last maiden you brought, she was beautiful, fine, yes, she is.
Okay.
But then, she doesn't qualify to be my wife. Sorry.
Really? Tell you something, my prince. You have to look around this kingdom and make a choice. Select any of the maidens that you have small likeness for. Listen, all the qualities a man may be looking for in a woman to make his wife may not be found in just one woman. Is that possible? So what you have to do is to encourage yourself. Settle for one. That one you have small likeness for. Encourage yourself and make her your wife. Start living with her. Soon, you will start overlooking her lapses. Start overlooking her excesses, her stupidity as a woman. And then you will begin to love her. That is how marriage works. And that is what I want you to attempt immediately.
Oh, well, very well said. But though, like I told you before, we have beautiful maidens in this kingdom. But I'm not seeing a wife in any of them. When I see that special one, no, I will recognize her. But for now, I'll keep searching.
You have proven to me that you are useless. You took your cursed self to Ekunife. To discuss what?
And what business of yours is it with what I discussed with my man? Well, I asked him, and he said he didn't eat any insala soup with you.
You were making the healer a liar by what she was saying. And I know he did not say that to you. I cooked for him. And we ate together. All the gods be praised. Every passing day, the gods give me more reasons to believe that you are the most supreme of them all.
What are you talking about?
Someone here was lying in your name. And just before I could say anything, the gods brought you our way to explain things yourself.
What lie did you tell with my name?
Are you going to believe this gold digger without as little as asking me to explain what happened?
What do you intend to explain to him? Tell me, what? I told you that I cooked his meal. And I did that because I see him as a man who deserves all the respect. And you lied. You said you confronted him, and he denied it.
I beg your pardon. Denied what?
Are you by that implying that you had her cook your lunch?
Enough! And let this be the last time you would ever make me a subject of your discussion. I do not owe you anything. I have not promised you anything. I would eat whatever I want, and whenever I want, as the gods lead. Let this be the last time I would warn you.
Are
talking, Adam? Where did I go wrong, my love?
He is not your love. He just made it clear to you that he doesn't love you. Ah!
Get out of my sight,
or you will eat me raw, I suppose. Please save the energy. You forgot to ask the most important question. Let me make it clear to you. Not only that he ate what I cooked for him, we ate it as husband and wife. You should have asked him that.
He barred me from cooking his meal. And he's finally eating what Nwaduto cooked. What is going on?
My prince, I have to be leaving now.
But why are you leaving so soon?
I am the Onowu of this land. And this is your wing. Your chambers where I can always come back. I have to leave you. Onowu go Chalasha of Umulili Kingdom. Always remember that, my prince.
How can I forget the title of a great man of our land? You are blessed.
You are blessed equally, my prince. In fact, you are blessed more, my prince.
May the gods guide your steps, Onowu.
And may the gods guide your thoughts as well.
Thank you very much, Onowu. Have your seat.
Thank you, my prince.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you, my prince. I feel great sitting before my prince. Thank you for the warm welcome.
The Onowu already told me about you. A lot about you. And I feel happy to be with a beautiful maiden like you.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. Do you mind standing up again?
It's our pleasure, my prince.
The Onowu will tell you when next to see me, okay?
As it pleases my prince.
You may take your leave now.
Milima, you were excited when Onowu sent for you. And we learned he took you to the prince. So why are you not happy?
It's not that I am not happy. No, I am only concerned about the prince of our land.
Really? And why would you be concerned about the prince of Umolili Kingdom? He's already up there with the men of the ruling class deciding the fate of this kingdom. If you ask me, I will say he does not even know you exist.
Iroma, this is what I hate about you. Why are you so dumb when it comes to reading other people's emotions?
And what is it with the prince's emotions that you've already read to judge others of not doing the same?
See, Iwoma, the prince is confused. He is confused as to who to marry. He doesn't even know the kind of woman he wants. And that, if you ask me, I would say is a very serious problem that any man could face.
Milima, my dear friend, let me break it down. There is always a woman for every man. The prince has not made his choice because he has not seen who to marry. When the right woman comes, he will definitely say the right words.
Really?
Yes.
Now, just look at me. Just look at all this. What is it that a man could possibly be looking for in a woman that I do not have? What? I think the prince is under a curse, and I expect you to be bothered.
Let me end this discussion so you won't have the reason to bring it up again. If you're destined to marry a great man, that man will come from the least expected place. Yes, Prince Arubarezama is surely a great man, no doubt about that. But he's not the only great man we have in this kingdom. Think about it. Excuse me.
Can you please explain what you are trying to say? Can you?
Oh no, I believe you heard me right the first time. The maiden you introduced to me is not my type. Oh, she's beautiful, yes I admit, but she's not just my type.
Can you do me this favor? Tell me exactly what you want that maiden you want to make your wife. The same maiden we have been waiting for through all this period.
Oh no.
Can you tell me what you want her to look like so we know exactly what you are looking for?
Oh no, I cannot describe the maiden to you. Okay? But I believe she's somewhere there. I mean, when I see her, I'll know her. I will recognize her.
Take kola nut, good kola nut, to the grave of your father. Pray. Ask him to open your eyes, and you are going to discover that the maiden I just brought here is the angel you have been waiting for. Can you do that this afternoon?
Oh no, do you care for a drink?
Are you okay? No, what is this? No, why are you offering me drink when we are in the middle of a crucial discussion? Am I now considered as one of the drunks of this kingdom? What is this? An insult or what?
Oh no, on the contrary, I do not consider you to be a drunk. I just needed something that would take your mind off this topic. I am going to get married for sure, but please, allow me to look for the maiden myself.
Listen, Adonwa, I am the Onowu of this kingdom, and I expect you to respect the position I occupy in this land.
With due respect, Onowu, I do not only respect the position you occupy, I respect you as a man that deserves to be respected by all.
If that is the case, why then have you refused to follow me to the palace? Why?
That is the problem. Onowu, follow you to the palace and be introduced to Prince Arubalezama.
Is there a problem with that?
I have lost count of the number of maidens that have been taken to him, yet he is unable to make a choice. I am not ready to be listed amongst those maidens.
See, Adonwa, maybe I have to tell you this. I took my time and made the prince to give me a description of the kind of woman. And he gave a description that fits you perfectly. This is why I brought you here. And this is why I'm doing this. Come with me, let us go and see him. Do this. See this as one of the things you are doing for this kingdom. Please.
Oh no, I suggest you look for another maiden.
Why?
There are a lot of maidens in this land and beyond that look like me. Locate any of them the way you have located me and take her to the prince.
I don't want, there are things I still want to say to you and you are leaving? Arubalezama, maybe the time has come for you to solve your problem yourself. Fail to solve this problem and you will lose the seat of power of this land. When that happens, there will be only one person you will hold responsible. And that one person is you.
Just live your life. Live your life. Just live your life.
Thank you, Ozemina. But they say
old palm wine tastes better.
Forget what they say. We are the ones that tap the trees for this wine. And I can tell you here and now that there is nothing as refreshing as fresh palm wine. Why do you always wear this strange looking bead?
Ozemina, what is wrong with you? Must you know everything? Huh? Must you know everything? Do you know that it is very rude and irresponsible of you to refer to what another man wears as strange?
But it looks strange to me. Listen, I am your best friend, and you have refused to reveal your secret to me. Has this bead got anything to do with it?
Ozemina, now let me tell you. The earlier you stopped this your quest to unravel what does not exist, the better for you. I have told you countless times that there is nothing attached to my past. My father gave me the family healing mantle, and that is what I use.
Spirit of a healer, it's in the way he works. Stranger for a tiger, you can see the way he talks. Care if I die. Oh, soul of a lion. Oh, and whatever you do, remember what
Look at you. Yeah? The sensation of Umuakadiani. Even your enemies will give it to you that you are unstoppable. Area of concentration and interest. All the things other maidens are praying to the gods to give them are all you have already.
Ozemena.
Yeah?
Why do you always call me out to say these strange things to me?
They are not strange things, my ever beautiful Uzodema. They are words coming from a heart filled with love. Listen, they call you Uzodema, but I can call you Ozom. Please, make it easy for me. Accept to be my woman and all your problems will be solved.
Ozemena, are you serious about this thing you keep telling me about me being your woman? You truly want me to be your woman?
Yes, I am. Just say yes to me and this your beauty will come out fully. Listen, you need a man like me to take proper care of you. Nothing makes a woman happier than being loved by someone she loves. I am that man that will love you. You are not helping yourself by loving someone that doesn't even know that you exist.
Ozemena, stop it. My answer to your persistent proposal is no, and it will always be no. I don't have feelings for you. I don't love you. I don't love you now, and I cannot see myself loving you in the future. So please just stop this. Stop it, Biko.
Uzodema, there is something unique about me that you will only understand if you come closer to me. You must give me a chance.
Ozemena, stop it. Stop it right now. Listen, I have tried to be mature in my choice of words, but let me end this madness here and now. You have pushed me to the wall. This should be the last time you ever hurt me to express anything to me. Do you hear me? If you truly need a maiden in your life, go get one who is in your class.
No.
My name is Uzodima, the daughter of Ichie Uche Chukwuemeka. I am not in your class. I don't belong to your class.
She feels I am below her class. What nonsense class does this idiot belong? You idiot! That I am classless. Oh. You see me as classless.
Greetings, Ekunife. I brought you firewood.
Does it mean Ekunife is a backstabber and betrayer of trust? What is my woman doing in his house?
Please, take it to the back. Are you all right?
Yes.
But your mood changed the moment she walked in. Is everything all right? Look, she has been doing this for me for a while now, and you know about it.
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Thank you very much.
We bless the gods for giving us a man like you.
Please, wait. Excuse me.
If not that it is a taboo to reject something from a healer, I wouldn't have accepted this. I fetched you firewood because I know you need a lot of it to cook your herbs. I do not expect to be paid in return.
I am not paying you back. It's only a gift from a healer. Please, accept it.
Spirit of a healer.
May the gods go with you.
Care provider, son of a lion.
Ozemina. Why do you have this strange look on your face?
What do you mean, why do you have this strange look on your face? How do you not have a strange look? Listen, I am fine.
Ozemina, you're... Okay. Here.
What for?
What do you mean, what for?
It's for you alone.
Since when? Since when did I start drinking alone, Ozemina?
I have to go now. Enjoy your palm wine. I will see you in the evening.
Ozemina.
Are you telling me you can't find me a maiden in this kingdom? I am not going to allow you to twist this and start blaming the Onowu for nothing. What does that mean? No, why will you do that? Are you telling me you cannot find a decent maiden to marry in this kingdom? What is this? It is so clear that you don't want to settle down. Or possibly, you are looking for a goddess to make your wife. If eventually it is a goddess you want to marry, then you count me out. Because among all the things I've claimed to be in this kingdom, I never claimed before anybody or in any gathering that I am a god that has a goddess to give to anybody.
No.
What is this?
This is very unlike you. Why are you sounding this way? I mean, why are you bringing in gods and goddesses into this matter? Have I ever told you that I need a goddess for a wife?
then what do you want? If not a goddess, why are you rejecting human beings? Do you know the number of decent maidens I presented to you to marry? And you rejected all of them? You're looking for a goddess, of course. You should understand that decency is not the only quality I'm looking for in a wife, okay? Of course, yes. All the maidens you brought to me are beautiful and decent. But then, none qualified to be my wife. You know what? Whatever you want, find yourself. Because I am no longer ready to be insulted by these maidens. No! All of them in this kingdom, they know that I've been presenting you with maidens and that you have been rejecting all of them. And as we speak, there is no maiden in this kingdom that is ready to come before you and be rejected again. Are you serious? Very serious. But why would they think that way? You ask them when you see them. That question is not for me. You wait for the maidens and you ask them that. But let me remind you that time is not on your side. Select a woman and make your wife as soon as possible. The festival that signals the emergence of the new king is around the corner. And when that time comes and you have no wife, royalty will depart from your family for another family in the ruling class. When that happens, you will not blame me or anybody. You will blame yourself. Arabalezama. My happiness surpasses the throne. I'll find a maiden that will give me inner satisfaction.
Stranger for tiger, care provider.
Ekunife is my best friend, but I won't let him take Uzodime away from me. Let that end our friendship, and I would never feel bad about it.
Care provider. You do what is right. Spirit of a healer. Stranger for tiger. Stranger for tiger.
You haven't really told us where we are going, my prince.
We are heading towards Umuomasi. Are we going to...
They don't know who has planted the seed in me. I must get to the root of it.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, beautiful one. Who's she?
Oh, she. Her name is Adonwa, the daughter of Ogena Anyanwu, the Obalonkito Okujulono of Umolili Kingdom.
I see. Get her for me.
Yes, my prince.
I have never seen a maiden this beautiful.
She's very beautiful. She's very, very beautiful.
I don't have any business with the prince. Why has he sent for me?
You must not have business with the prince before he can send for you.
You are his god. You must have an idea why he wants to see me.
But it is an honor to be invited by the prince. Remember, after the Obaze festival, a new king will emerge. He is that king, so I suggest you come and answer him.
Why is taking them so long?
My prince, here she is.
You sent for me, my prince.
Yes, I did. I want to personally invite you to the palace.
Is there a problem?
No, not at all. You see, I want to have a brief discussion with you. And I don't think it was wise making you stand here. I mean, that is why I'm inviting you to the palace, where we can talk in a conducive environment. Are you scared?
No.
Good.
When do you want me to come?
Later today. Well, maybe tomorrow. Oh, better still, you can tell me, what was your schedule like?
Make sure you comply it to whatsoever he eats or drinks. I'm also aware both of you always eat together.
Exactly, animal. We are so close to the extent that we always eat together. Eh? How can I poison his food or his drink without eating or drinking same?
You met the right person. That is where this green substance comes in. Before you eat or drink anything you poison, make sure you first finish the whole of this green substance.
This one?
Yes. You are going to kill your friend. His blood shall be upon your head.
Something keeps directing me to Uzodinma.
That's great. Then make your intentions known to her. And you must do that as soon as possible. Ogadrokwa.
Ozemina. Why are you suddenly quiet?
No, why won't I be quiet? Yeah? What exactly do you expect me to say when you have decided to answer my question with a question? Yeah?
Moreover, what is even special in Uzodinma that your eyes should be going for her?
Yeah? Well, I've not made my intentions known to her yet. Because somehow something in me keeps telling me to wait for another.
Resist that evil spirit that is telling you to wait for another. And marry the one you're beginning to like. There is no perfect wife. Neither is there any perfect husband. Marriage is about compromise and forgiveness.
Yes, that is if he directs his intention to another, not to Uzodinma.
Mazimetu, you speak wisdom. I just wish...
Okay.
What is it?
Mazimetu! Mazimetu!
This is a sign of poison. Who must have poisoned Mazimetu? Take it.
Of all days on earth, it's only today you decided to come to visit Ekunife. Maybe your chi destined you to die from the portion of animal.
Don't worry. He will be fine. But why will anyone want to poison Mazimetu? Gods of my ancestors. Gods of my ancestors. That which I do not know would not rise to confuse me. This is my compound, and I have declared it as a healing ground. Why will someone come here, the same healing ground, to experience an ugly effect of poison? Speak to me, gods of my ancestors. What happened?
Please, come and help him. Come and help him. What is it? Come and help. Please, something. Yes. I will confess. I will confess. I want to confess.
Ozemena, speak before it is too late.
Please. Yes. I poisoned the drink. Hey! What did you do? I did it. I poisoned the drink. I wanted to kill Ekudi. Hey! Please forgive me. And you call him your friend? Hey! Please.
Ozemena. Ozemena, what have I done to you that you want me dead?
It is because of Uzodimma.
Ozemena, you once saved my life. Now you want to kill me because of a maiden? A maiden!
Nasuku.
Ozemena, I vowed to my ancestors that you would always be my friend to the day I joined them on the other side of life. But as I am looking at you, considering what you have done, my heart is heavy.
What are you trying to say? This fool almost killed you and nearly made my children fatherless. He does not deserve to live. Allow him to die.
I will save him. His nuisance value would be of great importance to his family than his untimely death.
Chelia. Ekuisu. Afọ chọrọ gị alụ.
How would you feel if I make you the next queen of Umulele Kingdom?
Do you know who once introduced my best friend to you?
Oh, yes, it did. But I don't like her. I saw you and my spirit accepted you. Please, be my wife.
and have my best friend think of me as a husband snatcher.
Oh, you need not bother about that, okay? Just agree to marry me and I will do everything for you.
I can marry you, my prince. But there is a problem.
What problem is it again?
My father is Ogena Anyanwu, the son of the sun. And I am the daughter of the moon.
I knew your father, a strong man of the gods. May his soul continue to rest with the gods and ancestors.
You see.
Come to think of it, that your name is Adahwa doesn't necessarily mean you have any connection with the moon. It doesn't mean you're the daughter of the moon. It's just a name and has no connection with the moon.
It has a powerful connection. My womb is still with the moon.
Come on. Why are you talking like a child? I mean, who told you these folk tales?
It is not a folk tale. My father told me all about it before he died. My womb is with the moon, and I mustn't punish any man that marries me when I know I have no womb. It will sound unbelievable, I know, but it's the truth. A medicine man must be found. He it is that will restore my womb from where only then shall I be able to conceive and bear children for the man that marries me. And until that is done, I'm sorry, my prince, I cannot accept your proposal.
Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the soil, the son of the light.
Oblige my request. Please agree that you will marry me. And I promise, I will find a medicine man that will restore your womb.
The restoration must first happen, my prince, before I can say yes to you. If you can find a medicine man that will restore my womb, as you have said, then I will say yes to you.
For the first time, I feel fulfilled. I feel I will beat the deadline or get married to you before the Obaze festival.
Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the sun, son of the sun. Seasons will come.
Greetings, Onowu. Greetings, Adabaleza Ama. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Onowu, I have come to ask you some questions.
Not again. Does it mean you are not man enough to move around your own kingdom and select a wife for yourself? Why are you here to ask me a question again? Didn't I tell you I'm no longer part of it?
I have found one.
Yes. But this seems to be a problem.
You have found one for yourself.
Yes.
No, you have found a maiden of this kingdom that you want to make your wife.
Oh, yes.
Good news. That means you have finally confirmed to me that you are really the son of the man I knew. The great lion that came from a lion. Sit down. Sit down and tell me what this problem is, and let me tell you, consider it solved already.
Oh, thank you, no. Thank you very much. I met Adanwa, daughter of Ogene Anyanwu. And she told me something very, very mysterious.
What did she tell you?
That her womb is with the moon. And that she can never conceive unless it is retrieved. I have promised to do something about it, no. But in the real sense, I'm confused. Is this a fairy tale or reality? I mean,
it is not fairy tale. It is real. Sad reality.
But how is it possible? I mean, how can the moon withhold someone's womb?
Her great-grandfather originated from the moon. Once in a while in that family, a man bears a daughter at that point that the moon is full. When that happens, as it was the case with the maiden in question, they will name her Adonwa, and it is believed her womb is with the moon.
No. This sounds like a fairy tale to me. I mean, how can one be sure that a womb is with the moon?
Okay, let me tell you something. One Adonwa from that family once refused to believe her womb was with the moon. In fact, she refused to submit for the ritual that will liberate her from the problem because she believed she had no problem. She decided to marry without that ritual. In fact, she ran after a man of Abagana, calling herself his wife. And they both married themselves on the hill of Ugwabe. You know what happened? When the man knew her, both of them ran mad. In fact, they died lunatics because there was no solution.
Are you serious?
When they call me Ono Wicked in Igbo, it is not just a name. It is real. There is power in Igbo land, and that is why we are who we are.
But, oh no, I love Ada. I mean, she is the only one I've felt the urge to have as a wife.
I once approached the same Adonwa, inviting her to come to meet you in the palace so that you can select her as a wife. She refused to come with me. That was the time you told me what you were looking for in a woman, and she was the one that fitted into that description of yours. I approached her, she said no. So considering the time frame at your disposal, the festival that is coming, and the problem we are now having surrounding her womb and everything, I am advising you forget about her Donwa and settle for another maiden.
Leave her for who?
Leave her for the man who has all the time to wait. You have no time. Can't you understand the festival is coming so close? Can you not listen to the time?
No. I swear on my life, I will do everything possible to ensure she gets her womb back.
The prince is one of the few young men from this land that I respect so much. He knows what he wants and he always goes for it.
I feel the same way for him too. That is why I considered his proposal.
considering his proposal is one thing. Actually allowing him to have a taste of your womanhood is another. Do not try it. Please, for your own good, do not try it too. Someone from our family tried it a long time ago with a man from Abagana, and it ended in total disaster. You are very precious to us. Too precious to let you waste away like that. Please, always remember that.
I heard the story about how they ran mad and died as lunatics. I'm wondering, how long do you think it will take before we see the medicine man that will perform this ritual for me?
Do not always forget the daughter of whom you are. The moon. The moon shines everywhere. And at the appointed time, he will send the man that will perform the ritual.
And how long shall we wait for the moon?
As long as it takes. Listen, my dear. If your mother were still alive, she would tell you the same things I'm telling you right now. Daughters of the moon do not rush into marriage. They wait for the moon to send the men.
The moon has sent the prince.
And I insist that you wait for the healing that must come before anything happens. You've been yourself all this while. Do not lose it because the prince is finally interested in you. Please.
Ozemena, I have no grudge against you. For a man who allows his emotion to trick him into evil deeds is not qualified to be a man. You are not qualified to be a man.
Forgive me, please.
Mazimeto, please. I want this thing to be between us. I don't want you to report this to nobody. On no condition should this leave this compound. I forgive you.
You're forgiving me? Thank you. You mean we can still be friends again?
Ekunifokunka can forgive you because he's a healer. As for me, I am not a healer and I can't forgive you.
Mazimetu, please. I ask and beg you in the name of the gods. Forgive him.
Please have your seat. I sent for you because I want to have a very, very important discussion with you.
Go on, my prince.
I'll suggest you rather refer to me as your king. And I'll refer to you as my queen.
We are not married yet.
Oh, I know. But as soon as we get married, by the grace of the gods.
What is it you want to discuss with me?
I need to seek a solution to your womb.
My prince, I'll advise you look for a decent maiden and marry her.
Ada, you have a problem. And I am in the position to solve it. Ada, I am in love with you. And I am ready to do anything to have you. I'll send for J.Ugezu to great diviner.
As it pleases, my prince.
And that will be early tomorrow. I hope you make yourself available early enough.
Or would you rather spend the night here?
No. No, my friends, I'll be here on time.
J.Ugezu Gonano, please. Don't see it as if we are trying to interrupt what you are doing. But as the Uruaku of this kingdom, I think I have the right to interrupt any spiritual process. Our patience is running thin. What are they saying?
Say something, J.Ugezu Gonano. To restore her womb is beyond my powers. The womb be hidden where my inner eyes cannot reach. The person that must restore the womb must first know where it is.
I think I understand what you are saying. But considering the amount of money that we are paid for this process, can you tell us what we must do?
Whatever I say will be a lie. You must consult another diviner. J.Ugezu Gonano lacks the power to restore the womb.
This is unbelievable. J.Ugezu, is there nothing you can do?
Whatever I do now will amount to nothing. I am a man who has found favor with the gods. I don't want to provoke them with lies. You must seek for another seer.
J.Ugezu nakwala ego na now. Where nakwala ego?
Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you. I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the sun, son of the sun.
That you can't do it doesn't mean it cannot be done. We'll look for another healer. Please cheer up. This problem will be solved. Please cheer up.
I have seen different kinds of can't be less. You do what is right. Spirit of a healer. Strength of a tiger. Strength of a tiger. Care provider. Soul of a lion. Spirit of a healer. It's in the way he talks. Strength of a tiger. You can see the way he works. Care provider.
That which we do not know, what we do not know, is greater than us. Gods of my forefathers, I plead for forgiveness. Please, forgive Osisi Kanku. Restore his sanity. If the one respected by the people as eyes of the gods is mad, it means we have no representative between the living and the dead. It means we have no communication, no connection with you. Please, forgive.
And the sun will hold on for you. You will go, you will come, you will fight, you will conquer. Son of a tiger, care provider.
Aye.
Son of a lion.
Ekuni ife okunka. Son of okunka nu kenyo of Umakadiani. I ask you, I beg you, I plead with you to please forgive Osisi Kangun. Restore his sanity.
What are you doing here? Take. I'm offering you cola. Take cola. I'm offering you cola. I'm offering you cola. Take.
Spirit of a healer, strength of a tiger, care provider, son of a lion.
What am I doing here? What happened to me? Fear.
Gods of my ancestors, thank you.
What about the shrine? My shrine?
Your shrine is fine.
Oh. Did anything wrong happen to me?
Osisi Kangu, you are healed.
Oh. Hey, wait for me.
Arabalezama, I want you to look at this. Take a decision as a man that will be king someday. It boils down to the same thing I said before. Look for another maiden. It is just very certain. I was the one that found this other one for you originally, yes. But the way things are now, she is not the right woman for you.
Oh no, I doubt. I doubt if I will believe what you just said.
How?
I mean, there is this feeling I have for her. Anyway, I have already sent my guards to fetch Ubaka, the great healer from Aguleri.
What?
Yes, I need to solve this problem once and for all and get married to her.
You want to involve Ubaka in this?
Mm-hmm.
It is very certain. You are not the one talking. There is a spirit that is living inside of you that is speaking through your mouth. Can you deny that?
Love. Love conquers all. No, I am ready to show her genuine love. All that is left is to get a very good healer that will retrieve her womb from the moon.
She has possessed you, even bewitched you. And I feel this possession is actually beyond redemption.
Oh, yes, I am possessed. She has possessed me. And you, Onowu, have a very big role to play.
You're being possessed?
Onowu, let us come together and make things work. Please. And everything will fall into place.
Umakadiani kwenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Zuanu. Zuanu. Kwezuanu. It is said that a bangle worn on the wrist requires no mirror to say it. We all know what happened to Osisi Kangu, who was the chief priest of our land.
He is still the chief priest. He was sick, but now he's okay. Could this be the reason you summoned all the men with the Ikolo? Anyone can get sick at any time.
How dare you? Be careful and do not interrupt me again. This meeting was summoned by the great Ikolo, Umakadiani. It's a sacred meeting. Not a meeting summoned with me, ogene, or ekwe. This is a sacred process and we must face why we are here. Umakadiani, before Osisi Kanku was made well again, we made several consultations and sacrifices both in this land and beyond. And it was revealed that Osisi Kanku misrepresented the gods. And they made him mad. By the sounding of great Ikolo, Osisi Kanku is no longer the chief priest of this land. The new chief priest is here with us. And Umu Akadiani, we know already how to confirm who that person is.
I am interested in knowing how you intend to make the confirmation. Men of my land, I want to be the chief priest. Yes, I can make a good priest.
What is wrong with you? Do you think anyone become a chief priest by just wanting to be?
Okay, so how do we know?
It's okay. Umu Akadiani, there is a man of this land that woke up this morning and saw a large tablet of Unzu, just like this, outside his hut. Who is that person?
Could I be the one? I woke up this morning to see a large chunk of Unzu in front of my hut. I was about going to see a seer to find out the meaning when I heard the sound of the Ikolo.
It is becoming clearer. Umu Akadiani, it is becoming clearer. Metu, it is possible the gods of our ancestors have chosen you.
How?
To be the new chief priest.
No, how? How? Huh? Anybody can claim what Mazi Metu just claimed. Huh? No. Who was there with him? I can claim too that I saw a larger tablet of Uzu. What are you saying?
It's okay. Ha! Umu Akadiani, our ancestors have already known how to do it. And they have always spoken by this Oji. This Oji will make the confirmation for us. The man that saw the sacred sign will be the only man that will lift this Oji and leave. If any other man who did not see this sign tries it, he will die here and now. And that person will not be buried. And I'm starting the process. Meto, if you have seen the sacred sign as announced, Nanya, you lift this Oji, and if nothing happens to you, the whole of Umu Akadiani will surrender to you as the chief priest of our land. Metumba. Metu ya kasi. Metu ya.
Makadani Queen!
If there is, I would have been performing some actions. You have to continue consulting more diviners. Maybe Hachi will disclose the solution to one of them.
What are we going to do?
Ada. 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 Ada.
Listen, Obaga. Just because the prince of my land has decided to solve this problem, I have equally decided to give him all the support that he needs. Open your palm one more time and tell me what we must do.
Exactly what I think. That I have not solved the problem does not mean it cannot be solved.
Is that all you know?
Speak. He's a man I love with all my heart. I want you to make him love me as well. Never to spend a day without me.
I am Otika, the son of Agaba. In my world, nothing is impossible. I will do what you want me to do. But you must prepare his favorite food for him.
Prepare his favorite food? And do what with it?
Take it to him when you know he's hungry. After you must have put the portion I'm going to give to you. When he eats it, he will not remember anything except your name.
I have tried to cook for him before, but he refused. He is not a man who is interested in food.
You have tried to cook for him before and he refused because you did not calculate very well. Calculate and meet him when he is hungry and present him with his favorites. When he eats from it, after you must have put the portion I will give to you, he will never remember anything except your name. Otika, the son of Agaba. Ngemele juo yeme ahozo. Uruaku lo megi ni rubokatazo megi nazo. Oromo balo se aboteze. Kanki ke eji esi nka. Atu onye ike afi ori euro ori isi ego.
Why are you smiling sheepishly?
Because I love you. Do you love me?
How many times will you ask me this?
But you've never answered me.
Look, I have told you times without number. If you are destined for me, then the gods will lead you to my heart.
Can we go inside?
Go inside and do what?
What else would a man and a woman be doing inside if not to play?
Look, Uzarima, you are good at this. And I thank you for bringing it the time you did.
Did the charm really work? Why is he still talking tough as his old self?
Are you all right?
Yes, yes, I'm fine. Ekunife, take me inside if you love me.
Thanks for the food. I'm enjoying it.
You do what is right. Spirit of a healer. Strength of a tiger. Strength of a tiger. Care provider. Soul of a lion. Spirit of a healer. It's in the way he talks. Strength of a tiger. You can see the way he works. Care provider. He's a lion. He's a son of the soil.
Otika said something else, and what happened was the direct opposite. Does it mean Otika has no powers at all? Or does it mean he has some powers protecting him? Mwadioto, what is the meaning of this? Are you stalking me now or what?
You are becoming too desperate. You're becoming too desperate to get this man that you forget he is a man of the gods. Be careful. Be careful lest you burn those your tiny looking fingers in that same fire which you set to roast those your useless yams.
And what, if I may ask, is the meaning of this rubbish you're vomiting from your mouth? Are you insulting me?
You know, the more you pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about, the more it becomes very obvious. Be careful. I like you. I like you very much. But as a friend, do not make me see you otherwise.
Who are you people? Do you still remember the instructions given to you?
I don't understand. What instructions are you talking about?
Don't go astray. Always make inquiries.
I don't understand. I don't know you people. Who are you?
This is a warning, and I want you to retrace your steps.
Look, I am going to see a woman I love.
We won't fight for you again. Retrace your steps, or we'll flog you.
First, I don't know who you are. You are blocking my way. And now, you are going to flog me. Leave my way. Ancestors. Please, if I have done anything wrong, please forgive me. Forgive me. Mazimitu, I had a terrible dream.
Mokem, your father, Okunkano Kenyi, is very angry.
The same thing I had always wanted to avoid. But how? Why?
You didn't adhere to all his instructions. You chose those that pleased you and discarded the rest.
He is angry. You must be very careful, else you will be destroyed.
Mazimeto, what exactly have I done?
Put your mind to task. Remember those instructions he gave you. And also try to remember those you have not done. And begin to do them immediately.
He told me a lot of things before he died. Please, Mazimeto, consult him. I mean, let him tell you things that I have not done, or things that I have failed to observe. Please. Is he talking? What did he say?
He is silent. Listen. Put your mind to task. Remember all your father told you and keep them. Okunkanu Kenyi was a great man. Obey him and live.
I have never offended you when you were alive. Why will I offend you now that you are no more? Father, why do you punish me for something I know nothing about? Why? Reveal it to me so that I apply caution. I have followed your rules, your instructions. I have never gone astray, Father. Why have you turned your back against me? Why? Believe in me, Nam. Please. I am nothing without you. Of this, why are you dancing? What is it?
Sorry, please forgive me. Forgive me. Please.
What are you talking about? Forgive you? What have you done? What is this?
I prepared love charm for you, but no, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
So, this is where all this is from? Go before you see me!
I'm sorry, please, please!
Why did I fall cheaply for this trap?
Why did you refuse to follow the gods?
Please look for another maiden, my prince. I do not wish to continually bring you this shame.
You know my history. I have come across so many maidens before I met you. I am ready to do everything possible to ensure you get your womb back.
You have spent so much on me. The money you have spent on me is enough to marry 7 maidens.
Am I complaining? I am ready to spend more until your womb is restored. I love you beyond words.
I love you too.
Ada, let's come together and overcome what is coming to us.
The Obaze festival is fast approaching. You have to get married so you can retain the throne. I do not want you to lose the throne because of me.
There is something more superior than the throne itself. And that is my happiness. You are my happiness. And I'm ready to do everything for you to get back your womb.
Seasons will go. Here in my heart is where your love is be. The hours will pass.
Greetings, Onowu.
Arabelle Zama, greetings. How are you? Please sit down.
There will be no need for that. My mind is unsettled.
What troubles you?
No. Our inability to solve Adanwa's problem is devastating to me.
Oh, my prince, stop. Is this why you are here? To talk about Adanwa? Have I not told you to forget about Adanwa and settle for another maiden? She is not the right woman for you.
You don't understand. She's not just the right woman for me, but she is the only one for me. Oh well. I am here to tell you that I have decided to consult Agwotarambe.
What? Are you serious with what you just said? You want to consult Agwoturumbe because of this nonsense? What is wrong with you? The money you will spend consulting Agwoturumbe can marry 20 maidens for a man. Why would you want to spend that kind of money on Adanwa? Because of what? When there are other options? Stop, please. You can't do a thing like that.
My late father told you about my happiness.
That I have to always ensure your happiness? Yes, I remember that. But did he tell you that making an impossible decision is part of your happiness?
I am right here for you.
Greetings.
Daughter of the moon. I am the son of the sun. Son of the sun.
Greetings. Sorry, the prince asked us to bring these items to you.
Oh, I'm sorry I didn't hear you come in. Thank you for bringing these.
Are you alright?
I feel like I may be having Iba.
Sorry about that. Do we inform the prince?
No. I'll be alright.
Okay. We'll be leaving now.
Please let the prince know that I shall visit the palace when the sun goes down.
Ekukumeku, kumeku, kumeku. Ekukumeku. Kumeku, kumeku, kumeku. Ekukumeku.
I want to know, please. Please. Are we going to wait here all day for you? Can't you do anything?
I'll go to Rombe. What are they saying?
This is strange and inexplicable. For the very first time in my life, I am seeing a problem that has no visible solution.
I'll go to Rombe. You can't say that. I mean, this is the maiden I've chosen to become the next queen of this land. There has to be a solution to this problem.
Then you will have to locate the man or woman with the solution. I have no solution to her problem.
And you charge the kind of amount you charged? Seriously? Do you know how much you pay to bring you here? And you are saying you have no solution?
And because you spent a fortune to bring me here, I must solve what I have no clue as how to solve. Be mindful of your words, Onowu.
Or you do what? No, are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Am I the one you're addressing that way? Pointing that nonsense at me? Look at this man. Who is this man?
Please. Take it easy. It is all my fault. You warned me, but I wouldn't listen. I'll go to Rombe. Can't you do something? I mean, anything. Just do something, okay? I'm ready to pay you more.
There is a man of Omakadani, a man of the gods, who inherited a powerful mantle of healing from the Father. He is the one that will solve this problem.
Agotrumbe, are you sure of what you are saying, or are you planning to waste our time further?
Go to Makadan. Ask of a popular healer called Ekunife Okunka. He is the one that will solve this problem.
Gods of my ancestors! Why are you punishing me this way? What have I done? Why is there no solution to my problem, or why? Why? Why did my birth have to be on the dot of the full moon? When you knew I would never know peace.
Both of you, go to Umuakadiani Kingdom and fetch me the healer. Tell him the prince of Umolele Kingdom is ready to pay whatever amount to get into my kingdom. Go.
I am made for you. I am waiting for you. Daughter of the moon. I am right here for you.
Get me a done one.
Daughter of the moon.
Greetings.
Greetings.
The prince wishes to speak with you now.
Tell the prince I said he has done enough to demonstrate his love for me, but I cannot continue to bring further shame to him.
Don't understand.
Are you not coming with me?
No, I am not.
Snatch the bag. She's holding.
Who is speaking?
What is it? Why did you snatch my bag?
I'm sorry, but the voice said I should take it away from you. Let's go and see the prince.
A voice? What voice?
I don't know, but he was very clear. He said I should grab the bag. Hey, it could be the voice of the late king. You never can tell. The late king may have decided to step in from the dead and solve the problem. Let's go see the prince.
And when did you start going around the kingdom with a rope in your bag?
I'm sorry, my prince. I feel bad for all the embarrassment my problem is causing you.
Am I complaining?
I know you love me, my prince. But sincerely, I feel unworthy of all the sacrifices you're making just to ensure my womb comes back to me.
Did I complain to you? Did I? So you wanted to hang yourself? Oh. That would have been worse. Now you have given me enough reason not to let you off my sight until the solution is found.
I cannot live here with you, my prince, if that is what you're implying. We're not married. Yet.
There are enough rooms in the palace. I am sorry, but you're staying here until the solution is found.
My mother's sister, Mbanugo, will kill me if she hears what you're saying.
And where can I find her?
Why?
I need to talk to her. Where can I find her?
Greetings.
Who are you and what is the reason for this intrusion?
We are not intruders. We are here in peace.
We are guards from the palace of Umolili Kingdom.
I see. No wonder your faces are not familiar. Please, come and sit down.
We will be fine standing.
I am sorry that does not work for me. You came all the way from Umolili Kingdom, down to Umuakadian Kingdom, down to my house to see me. Tradition demands that I offer you at least cola, and I cannot do that while you are standing. So please, come and sit down. Thank you.
You see, this is the problem I have with our people. Give them little power, and it gets into their heads.
I don't know why you will say things like that. I mean, where is this coming from?
I'm talking about the man from Umu Akadiani that was recommended to me.
What about him?
What does it take a serious healer to come and attend to someone?
It's very clear you are becoming very disturbed. Why are you stressing your life over nothing? There is a problem as we speak, and I know I have told you what to do to solve the problem. Why are you not doing it?
What did you tell me?
Forget about Adonwa. I don't know what is it you said you have seen in her that you have not seen in any other. that thing, as far as I'm concerned, does not exist. Forget about Adonwa and settle for another. I mean, for a maiden that will give you children. That is what you need now.
I'm in love with her. You don't advise me to get married to who I am not in love with.
Then I am going to tell you immediately that when it comes to marriage, when it comes to procreation, the term love is given a different interpretation entirely. Do you want me to educate you on that?
No, I'm not interested in any outrageous interpretation you have for me. I will go out there and look for him myself.
Hey, listen to me. At times when you speak like this, I will start to wonder if they have bewitched you. In fact, I am not happy that you have allowed yourself to be bewitched. You are the prince of this kingdom. You are the coming king of this land. There are certain things you must not even dream of. What you just said now is one of them. You want to go look for who? The prince of my land?
Why is it so difficult for you to see reasons with me?
What reasons?
Why are you trying to frustrate me by twisting every word that comes out of my mouth?
I have not twisted what you said because you have not said anything. What I now know is that you are under a spell. Arabalezama, and trust me, I am going to resist that spell with everything in me.
What you just said gives credence to what I said. But you are deliberately misinterpreting me just to prevent me from healing the one I love and getting married to her.
I am so disappointed in you that you are the one doing this. Giving me the impression that you are bewitched for real. I am very disappointed. But let me tell you the truth, Arabalezama. This will certainly be the last time I will be discussing Adonwa with you. Because as far as I'm concerned, Adonwa does not exist. What you need is another maiden that will give you children. And you need to locate that maiden and marry her faster than immediately. Or else, let me not say anything.
The son of the lion, I am waiting for you. I am the son of the tiger, the son of...
Why are you crying? When you already know I can never leave you.
I'm crying for myself.
Why? You are my mother's room already. You have every part of me now. Let's allow the gods to finish what they started.
I hate that this is happening to me.
Mother, it is not your fault. I am doing everything humanly possible to ensure we retrieve your womb back from the womb. It is a challenge that you have to face squarely with a strong heart.
It saddens my heart to hear what people say to you because of my condition. It makes me feel so bad. That's why I wanted to end it.
Oh, come on. Don't say that, okay? Come on. Don't cry for me, okay? Put yourself together. You are a strong woman of this land. Learn to embrace any challenges that confront you. Please, wipe those tears. I don't want to see you cry again. Thank you.
Your heart is kind. Your words are encouraging.
You won't come back home.
I am right here for you. Daughter of the Lord, it's in the way he works. You can see the way he talks. Care provider.
Sir, excuse me. I am looking for the palace of Umolili Kingdom. Please, can you be of help?
Oh, You are almost there. Go down the junction. Take your left. Ask anyone around there at the palace.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Shine up for a tiger. Just got to be a tiger. Can't be left.
Greetings, great men of Umolili Kingdom. Greetings, young man. Who are you and how may we be of help?
My name is Ekunife Okunka. I am the great healer of Umuakadiani Kingdom. The prince of Umolili Kingdom sent for me.
Are you the great healer from Umuakadiani Kingdom?
Yes, I am. And from your appearance and the gods around you, I can tell you are the noble prince of Umolili Kingdom.
Yes. But you don't look a healer.
You cannot tell how powerful a man is by his physical appearance or by the powers he possesses.
Young man of Umakarena, please don't misunderstand us. Don't see it as if we are trying to undermine you. No. The issue is that you are too young for the information we have of the healer of Umakadian. The maiden you have come to heal is not within the palace. She stepped out, but we believe she will soon be back. So if you don't mind, please, you may sit down.
Thank you.
What is... My stomach. My stomach.
What is it? Are you okay?
Something left my stomach. I think my wound is back. I think my wound is back.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Are you sure? You must be a great man then.
That is my wife.
Are you drunk or mad?
I am neither drunk nor mad. I just said that is my wife. It's a long story.
What useless long story? You came all the way from your kingdom to call the next queen of my kingdom your wife? Do you want me to order your execution?
My prince, please, we have to calm down. I am smelling something very mysterious here right now. Young man, can you start talking? Can you throw more light? What do you mean?
There is this particular maiden I would love to marry.
No, son. You are destined to marry a maiden from another kingdom. She's waiting for you to give her back her missing womb.
Her missing womb? I don't understand, Father. What do you mean? Please, is it possible for you to just explain to me? Let me understand. I need further explanation.
Son, the moon took her womb because she wanted her to marry a man that commands respect for what he can do. Not a man who is being respected because of his family background. A time shall come when you will see that maiden. Seeing her will give her back her missing womb. Son, she is your wife. Do not allow anything to prevent you from getting married to that maiden that is connected to the moon. You will rise to be greater than me. But you need the moon to achieve that. That maiden is the link. Marry her.
The message was clear to me. Her womb will be restored to her the moment she sets her eyes on me. And that is what just happened right now.
We are destined to be husband and wife.
Stop it now! You are beginning to sound like a man who came to my kingdom to provoke me into killing him and possibly setting his kingdom and mine at war. Name your price for what you just did, and I'll give it to you double.
It is unfortunate you do not know who I am. I am Ekunife, son of Okunka of Umuaka Diani. Money is not my problem. Tell me how much you have spent on her, and I shall give it to you tenfold over.
God! My prince! Take this fool and lock him up in the cell of dirty masquerades.
Yes, my prince.
That is not possible, my friend. Anyone who touches him is calling for his premature death. Not even the king. Not even the king of Umolili has the power to arrest him. Allow the gods to settle what they started.
How did you get in here?
The gods have eyes and they see. Welcome to Umolili, the great healer of Umuaka Diani.
Greetings.
Greetings.
What happened to her?
She has been like this since her mother gave birth to her. Her mother died immediately after giving birth to her.
That must have been a very ugly experience you've been passing through. I'll show you one thing. She will walk normal today.
Honestly, I will be the happiest man on this earth plane if that happens.
Step on it. As you can see, your daughter is all right. May the gods be with you.
Hold on. Who are you? And where are you going?
I am a healer from Umuaka Diani Kingdom.
By the gods, I insist that you go with me to my house. I want to host you. Can we go to my house?
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Wabunkonye. I am from this kingdom. Please, I want to host you. Let us go to my house. And don't say no, please.
What is the problem?
What happened again? Your womb has been restored. Is there supposed to be any problem again?
Something mysterious played out at the palace today. That is why I'm back here.
How? Has the prince fixed the date for your marriage?
The medicine man that restored my womb says that we are married from birth and that I am his wife.
I hope you didn't pay attention to that meaningless joke.
It's not a joke. Mama, it's not a joke. He refused to accept any form of payment from the prince. He said that the prince can go ahead and list all that he has spent on me, that he was willing to pay back 10 times over even.
Well, I still see that as a joke. How is that your worry now?
Well, ever since I set eyes on that man, I don't know how I feel.
Well, that is not an issue to be discussed. What did the prince say about the marriage?
I will not marry the prince. I mean, the healer did not even touch me or administer any medicine. And yes, I got my healing immediately. From the moment I set eyes on him, something left my stomach.
Are you seriously reading meaning into that?
I would be a fool not to. Mama, it was real. From now on, I am determined to find out the meaning of everything that concerns me.
Hope you enjoyed the food.
Of course. You cook like a woman.
Thanks for the compliments. I was left with no choice when I lost my wife than to learn how to cook.
And I must say, you learnt very well.
Thank you once more. Let me ask you, what exactly brought you to this kingdom? Or were you here just to heal my daughter?
Well, it is one of them. But I actually came to restore the womb of Adonwa.
Adonwa? Adonwa, Prince Arubale Zama's wife to be?
Well, not exactly. But that is what the people of Umolili think. I am destined to marry Adonwa.
Oh, please, I beg of you. Please. Don't say this rubbish to the hearing of the prince. Because if the prince gets to hear this, he will send the guards to kill you. Please.
I have told the prince already. I have a very strong spiritual connection with Adonwa of Umolili Kingdom. And nothing can break it.
What you've just said is deep. But let me tell you that the relationship between the prince and Adonwa is deeper. It is only by the grace of the gods that the truth will be revealed.
I heard that at this point the prince forced her to relocate to the palace. But I am not bothered because I know he is wasting his time with her. I am going to marry Adonwa of Umolili Kingdom, and nothing would stop me.
Well, in that case, this is my house. Feel very free. Make it your house also until your mission is accomplished.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you see now?
Yes, I can see you.
Can you see me?
I can see you. Mama, I can see. You can see me. I'm on
Please, are you the one that restored my sight? Is it? May the gods be with you. Thank you. May the gods be with you.
Go in peace, man.
Thank you.
Go in peace.
Mama. May the gods bless you.
You can see the way it talks. Care provider. Son of a lion. whatever you do, remember what your father said. Shine off a tiger, just got to be a tiger. Can't be less. You do what is right. Spirit of a healer. Strength of a tiger. Strength of a tiger. Provider. Soul of a lion.
A part of me is within this environment. How? How? Over there.
He's a lion. He's a son of the soil.
Unbelievable. There is something about you that you have not told me. How am I sure you are not one of the gods manifesting in human form?
I am not a god. I am Ikunife, son of Okunga, healer of Umakadian. You are that maiden sent to me by the gods. Are you going to resist the gods by resisting me?
The moon will bow to your greatness, and the sun will hold on for you. You will go, you will come, you will fight, you will conquer. Son of a tiger.
How dare you say such nonsense, my kingdom?
Oh. You think you can use your charm on the woman that will become my wife and the queen of this kingdom? Guards!
My prince.
Arrested.
For your own good, do not try to touch me. I will follow you in peace.
You don't challenge my orders. Get it.
I said, I will follow you in peace.
What do you want me to do with you?
Allow me live with the maiden that means the world to me.
What you are using are magical powers. You don't have the monopoly of it. Here in my land, we have men with excess magical powers. If you don't leave my land, I will expose you to those that will kill you today.
My prince, can I say something?
Shut up!
Yes.
It is either you leave my land in peace, or I give you to the men that will kill you today.
Not so fast, my prince.
if you dare maltreat the great healer of Umuakadiani, the gods will get angry with you. I advise you learn to live with your fate on time. Adonwa belongs to him. Make inquiries, and the gods will open your inner eyes to see beyond the surface. You all are sick in the head.
I won't tolerate this.
Abuma. Yes. I think I may be having feelings for that healer.
How well do you know him? A man who possesses magical powers. He's full of evil. Don't let him hypnotize you. The prince is the right man for you. A man with dignity and royalty.
I know all that. But you see, something inexplicable always happened to me whenever I set eyes on that healer.
Maybe he is using his evil powers to attract you to himself. You know, men can be very deceitful.
You hate him. It's clear you hate him.
Not just him. I hate men who try to harvest where they did not sow. Men can be very deceitful.
Very well then. You can stand here and continue to read meaning into a simple matter.
Change destiny. Some things in life we just cannot change. Some flash in life we cannot fight.
What would I do to convince her to marry the prince? What would I do?
This madness has to stop.
And how do you want it to stop?
By paying Ada's bride price immediately, now that her womb is back.
Listen, Arubalezama, the words from that healer from Uma Kadiana is still very fresh in my memory. I am insisting that before you go any further with Adonwa, as things are now, that you must make inquiry. Not just from one seer, but from several seers.
Oh no. But you know what's at stake? The Obaze festival is around the corner.
Yes, I know. And if you fail to have a wife before the end of the deadline, you will lose the throne of Uma Kadiani. I know. But as it is now, it has gone beyond what you want as a man. The gods of different kingdoms are now involved. And I am insisting you forget about what you want, what you like as a man, and consider this angle of the gods.
Angle of the gods? Oh, by the way, which gods are you talking about?
The same gods that you know. Why are you pretending as if you don't know what I am talking about? A tree cannot make a forest. And a snake, seen by just one man, can be interpreted to be Python. Make inquiries. And I'm insisting that you make wide inquiries on this issue before you make a deadly mistake.
It is said that when a child is crying and pointing towards a particular direction, if his mother is not there, then his father is. It has been days since my friend Ekunifo Kunka, embarked on a journey to Umolili Kingdom, and he is yet to return. I call upon you, protective spirit of my fathers, to go and pay him a visit. Direct him, protect him, save him from the hands of the enemy. May he return victorious. May he be victorious. May he be victorious!
Arabalezama, did you make the inquiry as I instructed? From several seers?
Yes.
Good. What did they say?
That I am free to marry her. And that the healer is an insincere monster who uses his magical powers to take advantage of people. Oh no, I thought as much.
I doubt you. I saw greatness and gentility in that healer from Omakadian. But who am I to sustain my doubt if what you just said came from the seers you consulted? Well, we have no option now than to proceed to pay her bride price. When are we going?
Oh no.
Arubalezama. Oh no. Arubalezama.
Thank you very much. I must thank you for your immeasurable support and advice.
Come to me. I am that humble, hard-working gentleman that will give you all your heart desires.
I rule my world, and I have everything it takes to make you happy. I will give you everything you desire, and everyone must adore you. Come to me.
What is the meaning of this?
I am your destined man. Come to me.
He is a cheat, full of lies. I am that respected man of your kingdom. Come to me.
To any of them, and choose wisely. This is the land that determines a destiny. Go now.
Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the sun, son of the sun. Seasons will come, seasons will go. Here in my heart is where your love is be. The hours will pass, rain will fall. But here in my heart is where I'll build you your home. Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you.
It was only a dream. A dream with a deep meaning. What am I to do with this type of dream?
Destiny, our destiny. Life we just cannot change. Destiny, some fashion life we cannot fight. All we can do is to live our life. Live our life. Live your life, so I live my life.
I had a bad dream last night.
I'm not here to listen to your stupid dreams. Your face already indicates you want to talk to me about that healer. The prince is coming tomorrow to pay your bride price.
You're right. My dream is actually about the healer and the prince.
Save the dreams for yourself. I am not a dream interpreter. Welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
Should I get you a chair?
No, don't worry. I will be leaving shortly. Why is your face not bright?
I had a bad dream last night.
Don't mind her, my prince. She's fine.
Anyway, I came to know if you have notified your trusted friends.
Yeah. We've already done that, my prince.
Good. Here. Take this. Buy whatever your heart desires.
We really have all that we need. Prince, I don't...
My prince, don't mind her. I will make sure we get everything in place.
Oh, thank you very much, Agoma.
You're welcome, my prince.
Thank you. I don't like your mood.
I'll be fine.
I have to go now. I still have a lot to achieve before the sun sets.
Should I see you off, my prince?
No, don't bother. I want to walk like a warrior.
Journey, and every one of us, we on a mission to the future. There's a place reserved for every one of us. Oh no. If I take your part.
What kind of attitude did you display in front of the prince?
Since when did you become my spokesperson?
Should I have allowed you to talk rubbish?
And who told you she wanted to say rubbish?
What kind of an intruder are you? Who are you?
I am Ekunife Okunka, by the gods, the healer of Umakadiani.
And so what? Is that how men in Umakadiani behave?
Please don't mind my friend. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me offer you cola.
It's so strange how you've tied my friend with your evil power. But let me tell you, you will never succeed.
It's obvious you lack manners, but I will teach you some.
Where is my friend?
She left in annoyance.
Oh. Why is a woman not friendly with my visitors?
Do not worry yourself about her. And I am not your visitor. I am that husband you have not seen in a long time.
I respect you a lot. I've seen you command a lot of powers. But I will disappoint you by telling you that the prince is coming to pay my bride price tomorrow.
It is not a problem. Let the gods fight their battle.
Did you hear her well?
Loud and clear. The prince is beating the drums of war.
You speak in parables.
Don't worry. I will not be far away from you, you know why? You are my wife, and it is my duty to keep an eye on you.
My prince. Are you okay?
My prince. What's happening? Are you okay?
What is going on?
My prince. What are you doing? I am the prince of this land. And I'm here to marry the maiden that I love.
You cannot intimidate me.
My prince.
Show your face! Why are you slapping me?
My prince, are you okay? My prince! My prince! Where are you going to?
No father, some things in life, destiny.
You are asking me. You are actually asking me.
Leave our lives, so I live my life. Live your life, live your life, live your life.
Welcome, old one.
Your welcome is not necessary. It sounds like a broken drum.
Why? And who are you?
Men who are men never easily forget the instructions of their father. For you to have forgotten everything your father told you about this time shows me you are not a real man.
Old one, maybe you should have a seat so we can talk better.
I cannot sit in a house of a man who has no respect for the traditions of the old.
I hope you know whose house you're in. Or did your little boy mislead you to the wrong place?
Arobanezama, I know your voice. And it's you that I've come to see.
Why are you here?
I'll never say a word until the healer comes. And if he's not here before the sun goes down, doom awaits you.
Guards,
My prince.
go to Uruaku's house and fetch a healer.
Tell him a certain blind man wants to see him.
Yes, my prince.
Sincerely, Ekunife, I don't understand you at all. You made me believe that your future depends on your marriage with that maiden. And I come to believe you because you told me that your father specifically gave her to you. And today, she is about to get married to the prince. An event that could shatter your dream of having her as a wife. And you are sitting there here, doing nothing.
I had a dream last night. My ancestors revealed to me that they have completely taken care of this process.
How is it possible? How is it possible, Ekunife? Somebody already told me that she saw the Ogene Anuka preparing for a wedding. And we are supposed to be there stopping it. Instead of being here, sitting and talking.
Greetings.
What do you want here?
We come in peace. The prince wants to see the healer at once.
And what does he want to see me for?
A blind man came to him and insists he sees you before he says a word to the prince.
And what connects us with that? I mean, what concerns us with that? You should be busy at Adonwa's compound, preparing to marry another man's wife.
We actually went there 9, but something happened. I am certain that is why the tough-talking blind man came. 9.
I demand to know everything that happened.
We implore you let him come with us. 9.
Are you going to answer that useless call?
Are you coming with me, or would you rather I change my mind?
It's in the way he works. You can see the way he talks. Care provider.
Who is this man? Why is he different from all the men I have seen in my life?
Spirit of a healer.
Welcome, the great healer. I can now sit.
Hold on. First things first. You are blind, and your blindness is connected to the throne of this land.
Listen to me, both of you. I don't know the games you are trying to play. I don't know this blind man, and his blindness is not connected to the throne of my father.
Keep quiet. Don't say what you don't know. My blindness has everything to do with the throne. I was the personal bodyguard to the king before he died. You were not born then, so shut up.
I will forever respect the gods, for they are wise.
I can see. I can see everybody. I can see. Yes, I can see. I can see everyone.
You can see me?
Yes. Are you not the hot-tempered prince? The healer will heal you of your bad temperament today.
You already said you knew my father before I was born. Tell me, what is going on here?
Yes. When I heard what is going on between you and the healer, I knew it's time to revisit history.
I am the happiest man on earth. What you have just done is what so many mercy men I spent a lot of money to invite could not do. You restored my sight when I needed it most. But words have failed me on how to appreciate and praise you. I have carved out a large portion of land, 4 cows, palm plantation, and 4 virgins to tell you thank you, Okuka Anogenyi.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Ezembuze of Umolili Kingdom. What you have done shows you are a kind-hearted man, but I don't need them.
I don't understand. Does it mean you did not hear everything I said?
Oh, Your Majesty, I heard every word you uttered. Your Majesty, a time will come when your son shall rise to desire what my son needs to become greater than me. I want you to remind him of what I did today. So when that time will come, he will allow my son to take what is his.
The earth bear me witness that I granted this request from the deepest part of my heart. Your son and my son shall not for any reason drag anything. And if peradventure it happens, someone from here must be available to remind them of this vow. So shall it be.
My prince.
Yes.
Think deeply. Remember the final words your father told you.
I want you to save this discussion in that part of your memory where you store important records. His name is Okunka Anogenyi of Umuakadiane. He restored my sight when I went blind. I offered him half of the kingdom, but he refused. If at any time you come across his son in future, do not drag anything with him. This family is forever indebted to them.
I've heard you, Father. I promise to keep all you just told me alive in my memory.
Thank you, my son.
I see you're not an ordinary man. It will take me time to get healed of this emotional trauma. She is the best indeed. But I cannot ignore the signs of my father. Go ahead. Marry her.
On this note, I will bless you. Your reign as king in Umolili will be the best in the history of your kingdom.
I'll lose the throne of Umolili Kingdom as the next king if I don't get married before the end of tomorrow. The Obaze festival starts the day after tomorrow.
You will not lose the throne, my prince.
Some fuss in life we cannot fight. All we can do is to live our lives. Live your life, so I live my life.
Abomahia is your destined wife. You must do all that is required to make her your wife before the sun goes down. The god of thunder just confirmed it.
Daughter of the moon, I am right here for you. Daughter of the moon, I am the son of the soil, the son of the lion. I am waiting for you.
I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
You owe me no apology. The gods were only ahead of us.
Agboma with the wisdom of men. So it is you the gods have kept for me all this while.
I've always adored you as the great king of Umolili Kingdom. Ours is the marriage of the gods.
Destinies in life we just cannot change. Destinies in life we cannot fight. All we can do is to live our life. Live our life. Live your life, so I live my life. Live your life. Live your life. Just live your life. I live my life. Just live your life. Destiny. Just live your life. Life is a journey, and every one of us, we on a mission. To the future, there's a place reserved for every one of us. Oh no, no. If I take your path, I may never arrive. If you take my path, you may never be fulfilled. But a child